most wonderful and spectacular Chinese New Year to everybody. Gong Hei Fan Choi.
Happy Chinese New Year from the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Inc. or FFCCCII. Tonight, we are gathered here as one of a big family to welcome the Chinese New Year and usher the year of the fire hose. The hose symbolizes strength, hard work, and perseverance, qualities that we need in a community for us to move forward and overcome all the challenges. And may the year of the fire hose carry us toward greater success, achievements, and progress. Once again, Happy Chinese New Year! 新年快乐! 恭喜发财! 谢谢! Mabuhay! At salamat po sa inyong lahat.
I need each and every one of you to participate in your own little way because together we can make Manila great again. Magandang gabi at magpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God first!
Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Wishing everyone a lucky 2026 Year of the Horse. Thank you.
Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. I hope you keep safe and enjoy the whole year.
And grabe, yung welcome din ng mga kapwa nating mga Chinoy is very welcoming sila sa mga, especially sa katulad nating mga Pinoy. So nakita natin yung culture na iisa lang din naman yung mga gusto like maging masaya. It was so fun and it was more blessings lang for our country and also our place.
Hello everyone, I want to greet all of you a happy Chinese New Year and I hope that you have all good health and successful life. Just enjoy this year. Happy Chinese New Year!
Happy New Year! Sana maging mas malakas ang itong panahon pagpasok ng Year of the Horse, kasing lakas ng kabayo at maging masigla, maging maayos ang ating takbo ng ating bansa. Happy New Year po!
Hello, good evening to all. I'm Yan Yan Ibay, the current SK Federation President of the City of Manila. My wish for all is sana healthy po ang New Year nyo. You celebrated with all the love and all the triumphs and all the challenges. Sana harapin nyo yon with a healthy mind, healthy heart, and a positive attitude always. Maraming salamat po. Happy Chinese New Year!